This project was developed based on need first, what has to happen for our building and our infrastructure so that we can maintain a safe environment. But beyond that, the planning really did involve vision work in terms of thinking about what our students need to be successful in the world when they graduate. And so we wanted to have spaces that were acclimated to provide them with great learning opportunities.
We have a lot of youth programs that use our facilities as well. So we have soccer programs, baseball programs that come up on the fields here at the complex. So it's going to make it easier access for them to come up through the roads. As you can see over the past few years, the washaways and things like that happen quite often with the dirt road. So making it paved is going to make it much easier and more modern and updated for our student athletes and even our community members.
One of the big pieces in the project that I looked at and really appreciated was the B wing, where I was in 5th grade in the B wing back then, and really despite all of the different changes that have gone on with different parts of the building, the B wing's sort of been left untouched over the years. They've had some floor remodeling, but it's going to be nice to see the changes up there, and it's going to benefit the students. And anytime we can make a positive change that can benefit the students, then it's well worth looking into.
Oh yeah, I think it's perfect. Especially this hallway is pretty much the same since I went to school here. So I think a new look, a new update will be great for us as teachers. It will be great for the school. It'll give us all a fresh start.
I just think everybody should know how important it is for our students. I mean, this is where they come, this is where they spend most of their time, 10 months out of the year. They come to us and it's our responsibility to give them that safe space and an inviting space.
Well, one of the things we're trying to do is to think of space creatively and how it can best meet the needs of our changing school community, our staffing structure. So the auditorium renovation is going to include the ability to now use that as a lecture space when needed so that we can run larger classes, seminar type things as needed.
I think, the school is like the central place in Fort Plain. If you go around town, everybody knows you as a teacher. It's great to see everybody in town that you see up at school. I think, there's so much pride in our community and pride in our school.
The school is the heart of the community.
Once again, you could look at our facilities and see how green the grass is, how well it's maintained. We're getting new scoreboards up. The paved access road up to the handicap accessible is going to help out the community members. It's just going to be a great experience, and when you see things that are well kept and maintained, it gives you that sense of pride as well.
So keeping our system relevant says to students, we love you. We just want to make sure that everything stays up to date, that access is equal and vetted, that we have space for new ideas, new classrooms, new curriculums. So just making sure that students know that at the heart of all of our decision making is their experience.